wings under specific conditions. Will he be able to become the strongest pet tamer? Let's find out. The story begins on a peaceful day, with Shiyu sleeping soundly in bed. Suddenly, a book falls on his head.
Sino
As he
nga
regains
ako
his
alam yung
senses,
video nila
fragmented memories of an
o
accident while
anime niyan?
exploring
Pwede kong
ruins flood his
ibigay sa
mind.
inyo
Assuming he was
kung
rescued,
ano ang
he is
title niyan.
bewildered to find himself
But
in an
huwag nyo
unfamiliar
makakalimutan
room. In front of
mag-subscribe
him
sa
stands a mirror, and as he
video
gazes
channel
into it,
natin
he is shocked to see
para
a
marami
completely
pa akong
different face
content
and
na
body
maibigay sa
staring
inyo.
back.
Lalo na sa mga master na may hilig manood ng anime o anime recap. Kahit anong klaseng anime pa yan, kaya nating abutin yan ng one click lang.
As he reads, memories from his new identity begin to surface. He learns that he is no longer on Earth, but on a planet called Blue Star. In this world, animals,
Subscribe
plants,
lang
and
mga
even
par,
elements of nature
mga
like
master,
mountains
para
and rivers
madali nating
can evolve into
makita.
intelligent and
Mag-message kayo
powerful
kung anong
beings.
klaseng
To
anime
someone
ang
from
gusto
Earth,
ninyong
they
may
would be akin to
palabas
mythical
natin
creatures.
dito.
Humans here
Kahit
possess
small
special
content
powers
lang.
called taming,
Kung may
allowing them to
pagkakataon,
control
pwede
these
kong
evolved
ibigay sa
beasts.
inyo yung
Through
mga full
meditation,
video ng
tamers
anime
create
na gusto
alternate
ninyong
dimensions in their minds,
panoorin.
enabling them to
Isang
capture and
subscribe
tame
lang
these
yan.
extraordinary creatures.
Mas
Thanks to
marami
this
tayo
ability,
makakuha ng
humanity has
subscriber
thrived,
para
ushering in
mas
the
madali
taming era.
nating malukit
Tamers are
lahat ng
revered
mga
as elites,
anime na
but
gusto
the
ninyong
wilderness beyond
mapanood,
human
mga
settlements
master.
is dominated by powerful beasts that sometimes wreak havoc. Shuyu recalls that his current self has lost his family to a monster rampage. With a
Notify nyo
clearer
lang ako
understanding of this
palagi.
world, he fully grasps
Yung mga
that he
message
is
niyo,
transmigrated.
mababasa natin
However,
yan, mga
the
master.
realization leaves him unimpressed. Compared to his past life, he is now a nobody. Determined to make the best of his situation, he checks his status and discovers he is merely an intern breeder at Glacier City's pet center. Shuyu picks up the book Guide to Interning and Breeding Bases, recalling his loan application and difficult life as an orphan who
Walang
ended up as a
edit
low-ranking
yan.
worker.
Di natin
Despite his
kailangan
misfortune,
ng
he
ganun.
resolves to focus on completing his task for today. In the morning, he must feed the snow wolves alone.
Dahil
In the afternoon,
na-subscribe
he will help
ang
transport
sagot
feed and gather growth data on
para
green
makita
cottonworms
mo
with his
yung
team.
video
Knowing snow
o
wolves
full
are
movie
carnivores with
video na
intimidating violet
hinahanap mo
eyes,
na anime
Shuyu doubts his ability to handle them.
para
But
madali
reasons that
nating
if
may
an
post
intern
yan,
can
mga
do it,
master.
it must be manageable. He